Careful, careful, Petty. Don't drink the lemonade too fast or you'll get hiccups. That was so refreshing. Lola, Penny, are you okay? Of course I'm okay. Uh-oh, I think Penny got the hiccups. Penny, I told you not to drink that lemonade too fast. How do we cure these hiccups? I know how to cure hiccups. Water should help. Did it work? Penny, try doing a backflip. I can find a scary mask. We gotta try. I can find a scary mask. Is he ever gonna... Boo! Ah! My hiccups. They're gone. I knew that would work. Uh-oh. No, Tigery got the hiccups. Oh, come on.